going on, everyone? Austin's Adventures here. Today we're going to be installing a Boss radio in this Key West 189 FS. The plan is just to install the two speakers right here up front. Can't do it on the sides because of the door, and it will not fit. The speakers won't fit in these access hatches without doing some cutting, and you got the fuel line and everything right back here, the vent. So there's a bunch of fuel hoses. I just would rather not put anything right there. And plus, this way, I think you'll get more bang for your buck here. This thing was, I don't know, maybe $100. I think less than that for the system. So, facing the speakers this direction should kind of bounce off the interior too, and maybe give you a little bit of amplification. I don't know, I'm no scientist, but it makes sense to me. So first things first, I'm going to take the blue tape here and tape up the areas where I need to cut the holes for the speakers. So now what we're going to do is throw some blue masking tape all over this here. And you may be asking yourself, well, this is round corners, how are you going to get center? Well, I'm going to basically wing it. I'm just going to pretty much measure from here, this black line, over to the end of this black line, which is 34 inches. So I'll split the 34 inches here, and then I'll do a level line up here, and that'll be my center. And then I will equally space the speakers out from that center point. But for now, we're going to tape this whole piece up, so when we drill the hole or cut the holes out with the jigsaw, fiberglass doesn't fray all crazy, and we don't scuff anything up, even though it's disgusting and needs a buff. But that's coming after the install. And excuse the dirty boat, it's disgusting right now. And then when I had the trim tabs installed, I don't know why these guys put them right here. This is where your trim tabs are supposed to go. That way when you're on the throttle, you got your fingers here, you can adjust your trim tabs super easy. So the plan is, here's the unit. The plan is to add it here. I'm hoping it will fit. It looks like it's going to be super tight squeeze. So I'm going to relocate these to where they're supposed to go. Hopefully they give me enough wiring in here. Because that would suck if I get a splice in. I hate splicing. It's just more ways for corrosion to get in. So I think I'll just set you guys up on a time lapse here, and I'm going to remove this switch, see if this guy will fit, and we'll go from there. All right, so I got my holes marked here and here. So now drill a hole and then cut them out with a jigsaw. And of course, make sure you're not going to hit nothing down here. So that right side I'm going to have to be a little concerned about, but I'll have a helper for that. All right, so I got both holes drilled. Was able to drill this guy out. So now we're just gonna go ahead and slip the radio on through. Looky there. So here we got the new speakers, which comes with the kit. So Boss Audio Marine, 180 watts, 4 ohms. Who knows what the RMS is? But my buddy has a set of these, and they're pretty good. They work out great. So, I mean, got the head unit installed. Still working on some wiring. See my mess here. But for now, let's get these speakers in. And we're just gonna eyeball this. I mean, straight is straight, right? Looks pretty good to me. Go ahead and hook this one up because it's gonna kind of be a pain to do that on the inside. Not really, but I think it'll just save me an extra step. These are pretty nice too. Look, even comes with the little heat shrink covers. So not bad for whatever I paid, which was, I don't know, 90 bucks, maybe less than 100 bucks. Made in China. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice, covered, somewhat weather protected. Keep your impact on a 1 if you have that option, or do it by hand. That's the safer way. So those guys are good to go. Now let's move around to the back side and get that all squared away. All right, finished up. Hey, helicopter. I still gotta clean all this up. It's freaking wrecking here, but and that's temporary. Trust me. Everything will be heat shrunk and you know, tidied up, but I gotta clean all this out, so that's gonna be for tomorrow. But I think you guys get the gist. Simple install, sounds amazing for the price. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.